पुनाति पंक्ति वंशयाश्र सप्त परावरान पृथ्वीम्पि चैवेमा कृत्स्नानामेकोपि सोरहति 1.105। शास्त्र को अध्ययन करने वाले व्यक्ति अपनी आगे और पीछे की साथ साथ पुश्तों पीढ़ियों को पवित्र करके उनका उद्धार करता है और अकेला ही इस पृथ्वी का उद्धार करने योग्य होता है। One who has adopted this treatise in his life becomes free from sins and leads to the release of his next 7 generation as well as the previous 7 generations of ancestors' mains and 7 generations of descendants from hell's and life cycles reincarnations. He becomes capable of sustaining and purifying the earth as well. Idam swastvena shreshthmidam buddhivivardanam. इदं यशस्यमायुष्यमिदं नेह श्रेयसं परम 1.106। यह श्रेष्ठ शास्त्र कल्याण करने वाला, बुद्धि को बढ़ाने वाला, यश को प्रदान करने वाला, आयुष्य को देने वाला और मुक्ति देने वाला है। This excellent treatise grants genius, name, fame, glory, longevity and salvation, provided one is honest, pious, virtuous, righteous, truthful. अस्मिन् धर्मोऽखिलेनोक्तो गुणदोषौ च कर्मणाम् चतुर्णामपि वर्णानामाचारश्रैव शाश्वतः 1.107। इस शास्त्र में संपूर्ण धर्म कर्मों के गुणदोष समझाए गए हैं और चारों वर्णों के धर्माचार की व्याख्या की गई है। This treatise explains in detail the duties of a human being, model code of conduct, qualities and drawbacks of various deeds, ventures, works, performances, goals, ambitions, etc. precisely to enable one to follow the tenets, siddhant, jadsutra, mat, theory, principle, doctrine, maxim, law described according to the 4 castes, varn, his birth, family, hierarchy. आचारः परमो धर्म श्रुत्युक्त स्मार्त एव च तस्मादस्मिन् सदा युक्तो नित्यं स्यादात्मवान द्विजः 1.108। श्रुति, वेद और स्मृति में कहा हुआ आचार ही परम धर्म है, इसलिए अपनी आत्मोन्नति चाहने वाले ब्राह्मण को हमेशा आचार से युक्त रहना चाहिए। The emphasis is over the code, conduct, moral, character, behavior of the Brahman who is supposed to lead the society in the right direction. The Brahman should strictly follow the tenets of Shrutiveds, received through hearing by one person to the next, with aid by memory. Rote memory or cramming have to be discarded. Smriti memory. For him the remaining 3 Vans, the principal guidelines incorporated in the Veds, constitute the Dharma religion. The Brahman who wish to uplift himself spiritually should adhere to these strictly. आचार्यद्विच्युतो विप्रो न वेद फलमश्नुते आचार्येण तु संयुक्त संपूर्ण फलभाग भवेत 1.109। हीन आचार वाले ब्राह्मण को वेद का फल प्राप्त नहीं होता तथा धर्माचार से युक्त ब्राह्मण को वेद का संपूर्ण फल प्राप्त होता है। The outcome reward of the adherence to Veds to the virtuous, righteous, pious, honest, truthful Brahman is dharma, ability to discharge one's duties with ease, arth, earning of wealth, honor, respect, satisfaction of passions, sensuality, sexuality, moksha, salvation, liberation and assimilation in the God Almighty.